So Best Buy is offering a very interesting add-on for anyone who is picking up the Motorola Razr 2025 edition. And this does apply to right now until June 1st, and that's going to be a clicky keyboard. So, as you can see, this is a case that goes on to the Motorola Razr. It makes it very, very tall once you open it up, and you can see it does actually fully open up, as there is a little gap between the layers here. It looks like it does go ahead and replace the USB-C port down here, right here, so most likely you're going to have to slide it in and plug it in. So I wonder if there's any type of like battery function in this keyboard, or if it's just going to go off of your actual, power of your actual phone. But it does, in a way, bring back the old time, kind of reminds me like a Razr. Oh, well, a BlackBerry type phone. I don't know if they had a BlackBerry Razr. I feel like they did. But it kind of reminds me of that with the BlackBerry Razr type concept. Which, hey, I mean, at the end of the day, it's a cool concept. It does say clicks. Does it say wireless charging? No, it just says for the Motorola. But it doesn't say wireless charging. I wonder if this takes away the wireless charging factor of the Razr 2025 edition. Not sure on that one. But it's a cool concept. I mean, in reality, this case type concept would probably be like a $10, $15 item. Actually, because it's a flippable phone in any way, case or device add-on, it will actually probably be in the neighborhood of like $45, $50. So it's like an additional $50 item you get for free by just going ahead and getting the phone. So if you're going to get the phone anyway, if this interests you, go get it. I'll be honest with you, this has zero interest to me. If anything, this thing makes the phone a little bit more bulky, and it's harder to use because of that. But I think the concept is you're supposed to use this for the outside display, not the inside display. So if you, for example, want to just use it like a PDA type of concept, you can have the phone closed, have it connected to the keyboard, and be able to just use it like that. I don't think this is meant to be used with the phone fully open, but it does work with the phone fully open. So, if that's your cup of tea, go ahead and do so. But me personally, I probably would not be utilizing this. Although when I was a kid, this was actually a thing. I'm old enough where this was actually very popular when I was a kid. So, it's one of those concepts. But tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one.